upload PDF to DeepSeek. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload PDF to DeepSeek. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open the DeepSeek application on your device, or you may also go to the official website of DeepSeek. Once you open the application or website, ensure that you are logged into your DeepSeek account. Once logged in, you will land on this chat interface. Now here at the bottom, you will need to look for the plus icon. Simply tap on it, and at the bottom you'll be able to see the document option, which is represented by a paperclip. Also note that if you have selected the search option, you will not be able to upload the files, so make sure the search option is not selected. Now here you will need to simply tap on this paperclip icon or the document option, and then now select a PDF file from your device. You may also navigate to the location on your device where your PDF file is stored. And once you have found it, simply tap on it, and once selected, you will come back to this home page. After that, tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right. By doing so, you will be able to upload the PDF. Now the PDF will be processed by DeepSeek, and after that, you will be able to see the summary of your PDF. Now you can ask questions about the document or request other summaries based on its content. Also ensure that your PDF file is within the size limits, which is typically under 100 MB and in a supported format. You can upload up to 50 files at a time if needed. And also be mindful of uploading sensitive information, as uploaded files may be stored temporarily for processing. So by following these steps, you can successfully upload a PDF to DeepSeek and utilize its AI features for document analysis. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.